I'm here with Mihaela, and we've just been learning about the fantastic ReSound Vivia 9 Micro RIE hearing aids and the other styles, but more interested in that one because it's the one with all the cool stuff. So the first question is, looks kind of familiar, looks a little bit like the Nexia. There's some new colors, new microphone covers, but I just wanted to know, apart from that, are there any other changes that have happened with the hearing aid?
We are super excited because although we haven't changed the design, we still kept the size and the design of the hearing aids. We've actually added a second DNN chip to our hearing aids, which means you can hear even better in background noise situation.